So guys, B2B, I've made a very good prompt for Belinda website, which has a very good description. For the Belinda website, I've also incorporated Belinda's logo that we made earlier and Belinda's image. This will show you who is Belinda that I've been talking about. The face is on the banner of the website. So look at here. The description is Belinda Fashion and Design House, luxury fashion, modern style and time shell. So we have the website overview. The homepage includes hero banner, that is the banner type, recommendation, design style. Then we have homepage, which is the first page, about us page, that tells us who is Belinda, what Belinda does. Then we have products page. Then we have women's shoes, so the types of women's shoes that you can get in Belinda's website, dresses that are there and their prices, tops that are in Belinda's shop with their... Imagine if somebody wants to buy from your shop, they can just go straight to your website and order if they have seen a very good dress or cloth on the social media. That's why it is very good to attach your website with social media. And also there is something called search engine optimization, which when somebody searches clothes online, your website becomes first. Then we have official office wear. It is there with the ladies official office blazers. We have formal skirts and trousers, watches for women, sunglasses. We have bras. We have our customers page, and we have delivery page and contact us page. And in all this, we are going to see what B12 has made for us. Let us go. This is what B12 has made for us. We've been able to change the logo. Here is the logo of Belinda. You can see the logo of Belinda. This is the face of Belinda, the lady who is here, who you can see here. Elevate your style. Unleash your inner fashion. Then I've changed the... this is Belinda. I just got this image from WhatsApp. Asiulize aje. So just take it from... AI has helped me get the photo of Belinda from WhatsApp. Then I've removed the background and make it PNG. Then this is it. Let me preview so that you can see the website in full. Look at it. AI is creating everything. If you want the full branding of your business, I charge it. It's so expensive for me, but I would love if you can do it alone. But if you want me to start it for you, it is we can talk. That is it is payable. Let me remove this. Look at Belinda's website. This is homepage. Elevate your style. Wow. Look at Belinda's elegance. Look at the dresses. Style and fashion for everyone. Look. Elegance and high. If you click on it, you get about it. Look at the website. Go back home. Wow, I like this, guys. I like this. Let's go to luxury evening glow. Hey Belinda, you need to pay something here, bro. Look at this. Look at it. Let's talk. We would love to hear from you. Let me go back home. Scroll down. Yeah, scroll down. We have here stylish, casual. Let's go down. Contact Belinda here. But all these numbers we can replace. Okay, because ChatGTP does not know. Not ChatGTP. B12 does not know. We've not included our contacts. Okay, let us go to About Us page. Look. Products page, contacts page. Let us click the logo. We go back. Look. Wow. Make a website drama. This is Belinda's website. Look the way it is. Look at this. Even you can see even the mali safi kitu safi. So make a website using B12 for your business. There's no... Kama unataka biashara yako ianze kugrow pole ikiwa kubwa, value your business, let people know. Of course everyone wants to make profit. Wacha kukaa hapo kingoja customers wako online. Have it. That's it.